Now, what I want you to notice about this one is, yes, it's in x-intercept form, which is good. However, there are a couple of things that aren't quite correct about the form. The first thing is that I have a 2 inside my bracket, and the other one is that I have a negative x. So I'm going to need to do a little something to it before I can graph it. So let's write here in the form y is a x minus x1, x minus x2, and x minus x3. Now, if I take my 2 out, what I'll have is x plus 1, and then I need to take the 2 out of that bracket, so it becomes x minus 5 over 2 and 6 minus x. So I've managed to fix that one. To fix the 6 minus x, I need to take out a negative, so negative 2, x plus 1, x minus 5 on 2, and then the signs can swap with that. All right, now I've got it in the correct form, and I can say, well, a is negative, therefore I have a negative cubic graph. My x-intercepts occur when y equals 0, so I have negative 2 x plus 1, x minus 5 over 2, x minus 6 equals 0. I have a null factor law. And so x equals negative 1, or x equals 5 on 2, or x equals 6. All right, and then we need our y-intercepts. When x equals 0, and so we have y equals negative 2 times 0 plus 1, 0 plus, or minus 5 over 2, and 0 minus 6. What's your signs? So we've got negative 2 times 1 times negative 5 on 2 times negative 6. Negative times negative is positive, times negative is negative. 2's cancels, and it's negative 30. All right, let's sketch it. Let's get a scale going here. We've got our x-intercepts between, what were they, negative 1, 5 on 2, which is 2.5, and 6. Okay, so maybe 2, 4, and 6, and 2, 4. So there's 2, 4, 6, negative 2, negative 4. Now it's really hard to scale your y-axis with a negative 30. Possibly going down in tens could work here. So 10, 20, 30. Okay, so 10, 20, 30. Okay, and then we're going to mark our x-intercepts. So we had one at negative 1, 0. We had one at 2.5, so 5 over 2 and 0. And we had one at 6 and 0. We had a y-intercept at negative 30. All right, and we're going to try not to make our turning point symmetrical or on our y-axis, and we're going to do a nice smooth curve through. that's a better one than my last one. And that's y equals x plus 1, 2x minus 5, and 6 minus x.